In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see folder activity in Google Drive. This can be incredibly useful if you want to keep track of changes, updates, or any form of activity happening within a shared folder. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply monitoring files, knowing how to navigate this feature is a necessity. First, let's dive into Google Drive. You'll want to open your Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're logged into the account that has access to the folder you're interested in. Google Drive is the hub for storing and sharing your files online, a tool that provides both convenience and functionality, so getting familiar with its environment is the first step. Once you're in your Google Drive, locate the folder you're keeping track of. You can do this by browsing through your list or using the search function if it's not immediately visible. Next, you'll need to take the action of selecting the folder. Go ahead and right-click on your chosen folder. This will open up a contextual menu with several options, bringing you one step closer to accessing the information you seek. In this menu, you'll notice an option that reads Folder Information. Hover your mouse pointer over this section. This is a pivotal moment because within folder information, you gain insights into everything you need regarding the folder's activity and changes over time. This data can help you understand who is accessing or modifying files within the folder, keeping you well informed about collaborative efforts. Now, from the options that appear under folder information, you want to click on Activity. This will take you to a detailed view where you can see all the recent actions performed within the folder. From uploads, modifications, deletions to shares, this section acts as a logbook of activities. It's so handy for being aware of the latest updates or tracking the progress of work within the folder. By following these steps, you now have a roadmap to regularly checking up on how your files and folders are being engaged with. It's not just about browsing through data, it's about understanding the dynamics of collaboration and ensuring that your data practices are transparent and efficient. Remember, the activity feature is powerful in maintaining accountability and oversight over your digital workspace. Whether you're in an educational setting, a professional environment, or simply managing personal documents, knowing how to find and interpret folder activity ensures that you stay informed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful for navigating Google Drive's folder activity efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to explore other helpful tips and tricks to optimize your Google Drive experience.